Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I got this early. I can't believe I got this before July, but I got my July Macy's beauty box. It seems like I just barely opened the June one, but here we go. So this is the box they come in, and then you open it up and they have everything in a pink tissue. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, I want to say thank you to my subscribers, and I appreciate your support. If you would like to subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I would love that. So I appreciate that also. So anyway, thank you for that. And here we go. Here's the Macy beauty box. So they always send a $5 code, a $5 off code. So that's kind of nice if you want to buy anything in their beauty department or any of these items that you get in here. You want to buy the full size, then you've got $5 off. So that, when the box only costs $15, and if you use this, that's kind of like a $10 box. So last month, I'll be honest, this is my third month of getting it. And I haven't been super thrilled because I like to get makeup products and they haven't had any yet in these last 2 months. The first month was all skincare. The second month they did a Kiehl's takeover, so that it was everything in it was Kiehl's and skincare. So there's that. I am playing with something right in front of me right now that we got in the box just as a little bonus. And isn't that cute? It's just a little fan, summer fan. Thank you. It's just cute. I like the pink and orange colors, the flowers. So really cute. So you could even just stick it in your purse if you want. I know in Arizona, every once in a while you just need something like this. So that was a fun little bonus. And they usually do give you kind of a little bonus item. I think was it last month or 2 months ago? Anyway, they got a sleeping mask, and they do different things. But here we go. So crazy. I'm gonna open this up and see what we got here. It's looking a lot like skincare again, but the first thing I have here is from now they don't give a card or anything, so I'm going to need this to read everything. But this is, it's called Genfinique from Lancome. It is, guys, it's really hard even with these glasses. I can't see. So it's some kind of a serum. Let's see. It's just got the little dropper. Smells like skincare. There we go. I'll try to figure out. I'll have to look this up. I didn't ahead of time. So anyway, there's that. And it's small, but I have a feeling this is something powerful. So anyway, the next thing I have here is from Nude Sticks, and this is SPF 30. And let's see. It is it's a lip primer, SPF 30. So this is for your lips. So I kind of like that. Let's see. Yeah, it has just the applicators like that. And oh, okay. Well, it's kind of a brown color. I didn't expect a color. There we go. So I put kind of a lot came on. So that's the color. So they call it a primer, so I'm wondering if you're just supposed to put this underneath your whatever your lip product is. So I'll try that. I do like Nude Sticks, the brand. So there we go. The next thing is really tiny here. Once again, I need my glasses for everything on this. Sorry. We've got, this is from Kiehl's. I guess they're on a Kiehl's kick since we got so much from Kiehl's last time. And this is Powerful Strength Lip Concentrate. Okay, another thing for the lips. Okay, let's see what this one's about. This one's just a clear color, and so it's just another thing for your lips. I guess in the summer our lips get dry and chapped or whatnot. So that's another lip product. I have also from Kopari. Now this right here is, okay, this is a Soft Glow Daily SPF. And so let's look what it looks like. So it's small. It's a little glow SPF. It's a sample size, but I will try it. So I like that. So there's that. That's the 4th item. And then the 5th item I have here is from First Aid Beauty. And this is the, it's the Bump Eraser Body Scrub. So I don't really need this, but I do know someone who does. So anyway, this is kind of a good thing to have though. So it's the Bump Eraser Body Cream. And then the last thing I have here is from Valentino, and this is their Roma collection, and this is let's see, Born in Roma. Okay, now I tried the one that's called Coral, I think. Coral Born in Roma or whatever. And so this one is different, but I loved that one. So here's what the Valentino bottle looks like. I'm hoping I like this. I actually have perfume on, so I'm not sure I want to try it on. But I'm going to have to because I want to smell it. Okay, it does smell really good. I'm kind of a fan of these Valentino. In fact, it's on my next. I just emptied one of my favorite Flower Bomb by Victor Rolf. That's what I normally wear every day, but I might have to, the next one might have to be from Valentino because I'm loving all their fragrances. So, oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Love it. So anyway, sorry for all that I couldn't read things. These were all real tiny samples. They're decent samples, but they're tiny. I don't know. I mean, I'm kind of still on the fence with this Macy's because yeah, some of these are great products, but they're really tiny samples and I just don't know. I do think that the fan is cute. I love the little extra bonus for that. So I got that. And the Valentino, which I absolutely love, which is just a tiny sample. We've got the Kopari. This is the sunscreen or SPF Light Glow. And then I've got the Bump Eraser. And the, what is this one? This is a lip. I'm not sure what it is. I'll put it on the screen if I look it up. But anyway, it's for the lips. And this one's also from Nude Stick for the lips. So 2 lips products. And then from Lancome, I have a feeling this is a pretty bougie serum. So anyway, there's my, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items all together. So that's it for the Macy's Beauty Box for July. So what do you think? Let me know. Leave a comment. I do, let me know what you think about the Macy's box if you get it. And I just need, do I just need to hold on? Because I've seen a lot in the past that I really liked. But so far, I haven't been super crazy about the ones I've gotten. So let me know if you have any opinions on that. And I appreciate you guys being here. I love your support. Thank you. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.